We have an active call, we know, because we see a solid green indicator against our call appearance. If available, we'll see the caller ID name and number, along with the call duration. The bottom menu shows transfer, hold, conference, and call. A held call is exclusive to your phone. Select the button once, and the green indicator begins to blink. Select the button with the flashing green indicator, or select Resume to pick the call back up. Once the call is active, you'll see a solid green indicator against the call appearance. Return the handset to the cradle, or select End Call to terminate.